Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about the payouts, the payments, the how much earnings a affiliate marketer can earn. Right? This is a corona pandemic time, and many of you guys would have think at this time of corona pandemic how a person can earn, how the affiliate marketing strategy will work, whether it will work properly. Like that, many confusions will come in each and everybody's mind. So, in order to rectify that, I have just shown my payouts also, payments also. This is payment list for SEM Rush, B Rush, and many affiliate networks I have made a tie-up with. With for the past 3.5 4 years, I am just doing the affiliate marketing, and there is a free course in YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, there are 30 days of affiliate marketing course, and in this affiliate marketing course you will learn around 30 videos are there for 30 days. You can learn and you can earn around $1,000 in a very easy manner. Yeah, this is the payout in affiliate, and this is June 25 to June 15. It's $19,575, and from June 16th to June 30th, the processing amount what it is yet to be dispatched is $4,657. So you can calculate in Indian INR also, and this is my email ID. You can see it in the YouTube channel, and that is my personal email ID. And I have n number of affiliate links with my wife's name, my friend name, everybody are having affiliate links. I'm just working doing the affiliate marketing in my relatives' name also. So this is the account of SEM Rushed affiliate marketing, and I'll just showing the dashboard of SEM Rush. And many people would have thought about why we should do affiliate marketing, whether it's suitable in this time like corona time, pandemic time. See, I'm just showing out the dashboard. I'm just showing out the payments what I have earned in the past 1 month, and this is the notification, and sales dashboard is also there. And in that sales dashboard, you can have, this is sales dashboard of Warrior Plus. You would have seen about Warrior Plus. This is last 7 days income, and that is last 30 days income. It's 312 US dollars and 1,676 US dollars. So there are n number of opportunities in affiliate marketing, and I have just made a free course of 30 days free course in the YouTube channel. You can follow that and you can easily earn around $1,000. If you want to make a mastery, if you want to be an expert in affiliate marketing, there are mastery courses also there. I have just provided it is a separate course, and it is a paid course, and it is a very low cost. It's a very affordable pricing only. You can just join that course also, and you can start earning, and you can become a master in affiliate marketing. A n number of modules like SEO, content writing, what else, selection of niche, creating a blog website, and what else, email marketing, everything will be covered in that course. And in YouTube marketing will also be added advantage, but at present now I'm just having the affiliate marketing mastery, and in future for the same price of free of cost, yeah, this is another affiliate network called the JV. And this is the earnings of the today's earning. This is today's earnings, like $136, and sorry, my earnings is $65, and yesterday's earning is $46. So these are all, this is JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and SEM Rush Tool. Everything I have just shown the payments. The thing is, I have just made a free courses only. You don't have to pay anything. You can just go on YouTube. If you want to make a master, you can pay the money and you can become a master in affiliate marketing. So that is the most important. This is the 4 years income of $60,657 in JVZoo. There are, I have just shared many secrets in the affiliate marketing course, in mastery course. What is the main secret is, there everybody will be targeting on the products which is in existing in the market. I'll just show you the technique. I'll just show you the strategy how to target a product which is going yet to be launched. That secret will be shared by only 1% of around the globe affiliate marketers will follow that method. I'll just share you that method is also in the affiliate marketing mastery course. You can just come, and before this please subscribe to my channel. That is the most important thing. And this 30 videos, I am damn sure it will change your life. And the JVZoo account I'm just showing you again. And these are all the 309 is sales dashboard of SEM Rush. SEM Rush affiliate is the B Rush affiliate is the B Rush tool, and these are all the payouts is $19,575. So these are all the things we can earn in the affiliate marketing, and there are n number of things. There are many technology is coming, and you have to follow it. You shouldn't get demotivated. There are many things. I'm just making videos on everything like fever 20 streams of income. I have made of 20 kind of videos. In that 20 streams you can you can make 20 streams of income without any investment. No tools are also free tools. With that you can earn money in freelancing industry. That also I would have said about in fever 20 streams of income also. So these are all the free courses which are available in YouTube. If you want to make a mastery, you can make it in affiliate marketing mastery course also, which is available. And I have just given my mobile number also. You can WhatsApp to this number, and you can go for this affiliate marketing course, affiliate marketing mastery course. So there are n number of these are all the affiliate networks what I'm just showing. Other than this, there are n number of affiliate networks like Impact Radius, like Target, JVZoo. I have already shown to you Target. Many affiliate CJ.com is there, and you can go there. ClickBank is also there, so you can go and you can apply to those affiliate networks, and you can earn money like anything. So that is the most important thing, and you can start earning. So please go to my channel, and everybody can do it. This is not a rocket science or a very clever kind of move, nothing like that. It's just a technique, it's just an algorithm which works. It's you have to follow the method. What are all the things you have to follow in affiliate marketing? You just follow that method and you can earn money, lots and lots of money. That is the most important thing you can earn, right? So please, I'm just telling again and again, in YouTube I have given a free videos of 30 days challenge of $1,000. Go and subscribe to my channel and see the 30 videos. You can earn $1,000. If you want to make a mastery in affiliate marketing, you can just join my affiliate marketing mastery course also. I have given the numbers. These are all the payouts what I have got in the past 1 week. Just I've just shown it in June 1st to 25th. I don't know which year or which day you're going to see this video. And it's a complete, if you want to earn in crores in 9 to 5 job. I was working in a IT firm around the 9 to 5 jobs from 3 years 4 years back, and I would have never ever dreamed of making money like this. So affiliate marketing gave me all the things. What are all the gave me the financial freedom. In affiliate marketing I earned the financial freedom, and now I'm very free of cost, and I'm enjoying my freedom, financial freedom now. So that is the most important thing. Just go to these affiliate marketing courses, and I'm just a practical. I'll just show you each and everything in a practical manner. What are all the things happening, what are all the technologies which has been introduced in the field of affiliate marketing, not only in the field of affiliate marketing, in the field of digital marketing also. I'll just show you what are all the latest trends, what are all it's happening around you, right? So these are all the things happening in the affiliate marketing. No, don't ever depend on only a affiliate network called Amazon. Amazon may be a very big player, but the commission rates have reduced drastically, so you cannot earn money like before. So don't rely on Amazon itself 100%. There are many alternatives of Amazon. You can go there and you can go to these kind of networks and earn money like anything. So there are n number of opportunities. Opportunities are in front of you. I have just told about all the opportunities in the YouTube channel. Go through my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, go through the videos, and the opportunities are there. And you can. It's time for you to grab that opportunity. That is the most important thing. So please subscribe to the channel. I think this will get motivated. If you just saw the motivation, how many money you can make in this video, you will just get motivated, and you can earn lots and lots of money. That is the most important thing, right? And there are many people that they will think that whether it's you need a huge investment, nothing like that. I have invested only 5 percentage of what your earnings, what you are seeing now. So you don't have to worry about it. Go for affiliate marketing. It's a evergreen field and it's a flourishing field also. So become an affiliate marketer by seeing the YouTube videos, free videos only. You can please subscribe to my channel also. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you. Bye.